Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name's Simon. I'm going to be doing a product review on this LG refrigerator here. It is LMXS30776S in stainless steel. Great thing about this thing right here is how big it is. It's 30 cubic feet. So it's actually huge for a regular freestanding refrigerator. Plenty of space. Just going off on the features outside, you got your water here, ice there, which is nice for your glass just to rest on the plate right there, and then everything will fill up. Same with the ice. Crushed and cubed options on those too. We're going to talk about the door and door. There's a button right here that you just press that, open the door. So that's easy access for anything that you might need, whether it's milk, protein shakes, orange juice, whatever. Just grab it, pull it out, easy access, super convenient. Then going down to our temperature control drawer, we have, it's basically 4-in-1 as far as you have 4 different options for whatever it is that you want to put in here, whether that's meat, seafood, cold drinks, delis, or wine. And that is, you can change that by holding that down for 3 seconds, tapping it to switching it to whichever feature you want. Now looking on the inside, as you can see, I said it's 30 cubic feet. There's a lot of room in here. Even if we collapse that down right there, you know, that's space for any tall 2-liter bottles of whatever that you might have right there. Extra space back here. Also, we have this fresh filter, also cooling system. Basically what that is, when you come home and you're loading in your groceries, the temperature of the refrigerator will rise to maintain that temperature so that when you're filling everything in, the temperature won't go down and nothing will like over freeze or undercool or whatever. I've got our easy reach tempered glass right here, just for any like small little items. You can pop in right there. It actually is glass too, which is pretty cool. It's like real glass instead of just plastic. And then if we go down to the freezer, a lot of freezer space, so you got an extra tray right here, and then you got all your space down here as well, and then you actually do have a little bit of space behind there as well. And then you can pull out the drawer, even more space. So the real major scream about this thing is just how much room you have for extra food and all that kind of stuff. Got your ice maker in here, not a ton of space in here. Obviously, you know, they had to make up the space somewhere, and I guess they decided to do that on the ice maker. What else? I think that's all I have for you guys. I mean, on this one, there's a lot of stuff on our website, appliancefactory.com, that you can check out and look that up. It's an excellent refrigerator for big families who need a lot of space in their refrigerator. That's all I have for today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.